Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 7th of August 2025. In today's top renewable energy news. In an interview, Suzlon Group CEO JP Chalasani has provided feedback on the revised list of models and manufacturers of wind turbines. He stated that by ensuring that operational control and critical data remain within India's borders, the government has elevated energy security to a national priority. The new norms will increase capacity utilization to 70 to 80% from current 25 to 30%. Moreover, BIS certification will be implemented from September 2026, and this will significantly improve the quality of products. Currently, most Western or Chinese OEMs design their turbines to IAC standards, but they modify them inadequately for the Indian market. Uruguay has been without public tenders for a few years for the incorporation of new renewable capacity. Usinas and Electrical Transfers predicts that in 2026, the entry of 100 megawatts of photovoltaic projects will be added to the system. The Punta del Tigre Solar Park, which is 25 megawatts, and the 75 megawatt Melo project are both approved under an EPC scheme with their own financing. To date, UTE has not granted them a PPA. Puerto Rico faces a technical gap in its energy planning. Although the Integrated Resource Plan was approved in 2020 by the Energy Negotiation, its review process has not yet been completed. This delay, far from being a bureaucratic issue, represents a structural break on strategic decision-making in the island's electricity system. Although the plan exists, it is in the process of being reviewed, and this update has not yet been completed. The Supreme Court of India has dismissed the appeals filed by Gujarat, Urja, Vikas, Nigam against 4 wind energy companies. The case revolves around whether these companies were entitled to approach the GERC for tariff determination, despite having signed power purchase agreements with GUVNL at a fixed rate of 3.56 rupees per kilowatt-hour. The tariff was initially determined in 2010 for wind projects that availed the benefit of accelerated depreciation under the Income Tax Act. The UK government has launched this year's contracts for Difference Allocation Round 7, with the application window open until the 27th of August. The CFD and its predecessor investment contracts have already delivered 10 gigawatts of renewable capacity. A further 23 gigawatts contracted to become operational by 2030. Some of the changes in this year's CFD include longer 20-year contracts that provide greater financial certainty for developers and investors, as well as earlier eligibility for projects still in the planning stages. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.